Good morning and good evening, crypto astronauts, depending on where you're tuning in from in the world, and welcome back to the Bitcoin and crypto paradise. We're going to be going over the Bitcoin astrology for March 2024, and we've got a lot going on. Bitcoin just shot up to 54,500. Exciting times, guys. The trend is still up. But first off, this is not financial or investment advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So welcome, I'm an engineer gone crypto astrologer and transformational coach to help you succeed in the greatest wealth building opportunity arguably of our lives. And so you can be a change agent to create a better world. Let's do good with the wealth that we create with crypto. All right, so I'll be going over the Bitcoin predictions at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And let's take a look at the charts. All right, we're gonna look at the Bitcoin on the weekly scale. Let's bring out the Fibonacci tool and see where we are at in this market currently. We take the Fibonacci tool from the peak to the bottom. We surpassed the 50% level back in January, and then we headed all the way up to the 0.618 in February, and now we're headed all the way to the 0.702, and we just surpassed that. This is extremely bullish activity here, a lot earlier than many people expected. Very interesting. There could be a bit shift in the Bitcoin cycle. Historically, it's every 4 years with the Bitcoin halving, but we could be seeing Bitcoin jump a bit earlier than usual. And we can talk more about that today and in future videos. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. You know, ever since February 5th, we've just been heading up here. Then ever since February 14th, we've paused here for a couple weeks. And now we just shot up. And let's look at how high this bar is. So this single day candle, about 5% candle. We haven't seen a candle this big since, looks like January 8th, around there. All these other candles are smaller. So super bullish move here, 5% move in one day. We just got that daily candle close there. Now this is the monthly chart. Every single bar is the start to the finish of each month. We've gotten 4 green months. Actually, no, 5 green months in a row so far. And it looks like we're about to get another one. And where we close in February is gonna be very interesting, because if we close above the 702, which is around 53,000, that's very, very bullish. And then in March, we'll see if we get a healthy correction down or if we just continue heading up. Looking at the S&P 500, the macro market here. So, we've been heading up ever since October of last year. We got a weekly correction on January, got a little bit of correction February 12th that week, and we're getting a little bit of a correction now. And it'll be interesting to see where this next weekly candle closes. We'll have to wait out until March 4th to see. Now let's take a look at what the Bitcoin astrology has in store for us. Now the March astrology is very interesting. We have the sun in Pisces, of course, conjunct Saturn at the beginning of the month, and we also have Mercury that just recently passed Saturn. So this is a time to really get into the nitty-gritty of reality, to make serious decisions, to think hard, think long and hard. Since we're talking about crypto, about your crypto strategy. Is your portfolio balanced? Do you have mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, trustworthy coins that you actually understand, or are you just invested and scattered all around with a bunch of altcoins that you don't actually understand what you're investing in? It's important to think hard and deeply about what you're invested in, because you want to actually understand where you're putting your money into. Otherwise, you could be putting yourself and your portfolio at too much risk. So I'm just going to say that because we're passing Saturn, and Saturn can have hard lessons in reality. So definitely make sure you're prepared for the worst, but hope for the best. As we head through this month, March, we have Venus in Aquarius, which is quite bullish for crypto. We also have Mars there in Aquarius, and of course Pluto in Aquarius. Aquarius is the sign of technology and crypto, so that could potentially be a bullish sign for crypto. So far it is. Bitcoin has gone off on a tear with that 5% pump. And as we head through March, you'll see that Jupiter is getting closer and closer to the planet Uranus, and they're heading into a conjunction that will head into April. So that is very potentially bullish for crypto, as we are also heading into the Bitcoin halving towards the later half of April, right around exactly the same time that we're going to get this conjunction with Jupiter and Uranus. Now, Uranus is the planet of technology and crypto, so this could be very bullish because Jupiter expands whatever it touches. So Jupiter is going to be expanding technology. That could be good for the NASDAQ, could be good for Bitcoin and crypto. Now let's take a look in a more organized fashion, the March Astrology 2024. So like I said, we have Venus in Aquarius until March 11th. That's positive for crypto, that's bullish. We have Jupiter sextile Saturn outside 1 degree until March 11th. That's a little bit positive. Then we have the Sun in Pisces with Saturn and Neptune. This is representing a big shift, potential lessons in reality, limitation. That's a small negative because also Mercury is in Pisces, and so March 8th, Mercury is conjuncting Neptune in Pisces. That's negative because Mercury is not happy in the sign of Pisces. Mercury is the planet of trading and markets, so we gotta keep that in mind. We also have March 9th, Mars square Uranus. That's a bit negative. Now, specifically, here's for the Bitcoin astrology for March. These are transits that are hitting the natal Bitcoin astrology chart based on the Genesis block, the birth time of Bitcoin, back in 2009. Now we have the new moon in Pisces coming up here. This new moon is opposing the Bitcoin Saturn, so we got to be a bit concerned about that. It's happening on March 11th. That's negative. Could see a dump around then. We have March 12th, Jupiter trine Bitcoin Sun, positive. So that's interesting. If we get a dump around then, it might not be as big as we thought because we're getting that positive transit. And early March, like the first half of March, we're still getting that Uranus sextile. The Bitcoin Uranus is in orb, so it's a minor positive. Things might be holding up in the first part of March fairly well. But then on March 25th, we have a big lunar eclipse squaring the Bitcoin Mars. I'll be coming out with more videos on this, and that's a negative on March 25th. But good news, don't worry, is March 29th, we have Saturn sextile the Bitcoin Sun, which is very positive transit. And then March 31st, we have Uranus trine the Bitcoin Saturn, which is coming into orb heading into April. So that's positive as well. Now I want to share a big announcement that I am really excited about for enthusiastic crypto investors like yourself. Many crypto investors have told me that one of their biggest pain points was not taking profits in the last bull run in 2021. And I'm sure you remember watching your portfolio of hard-earned money that you put into the market, you put into crypto, you believed in it, you thought we were going to the moon. The other influencers told you, we're going to 100K, right? We're going to 200K, we're going to 300K. And you were hoping for that, you were believing it, you fully believed in it, and what happened? Markets tanked, and you saw your hard-earned money just dwindle down to almost nothing. So it was horrifying and painful. I was there with you guys. Many people got depressed and almost gave up on crypto. But don't give up. Don't give up now. Let's not repeat the same mistake this bull run. The good news is if we learn the lessons from the past of what not to do, we can take the positive from that and do better this time. Not just better, but really succeed this time and take profits at the top as close as we can. So the solution is to succeed in this bull run. We need a rock solid game plan, mindset, and strategy. A well thought out strategy that we commit to take profits without letting the market euphoria, all the market narratives from all the influencers out there telling you to diamond hands, just hold on to this forever, never sell your Bitcoin. You remember all of those narratives that were going on. We're going to 100K, we're going to 200K. Guess what? We're gonna see that again this cycle. We're gonna see all kinds of new narratives show themselves. We're already seeing the Bitcoin ETF narrative. Bitcoin's never gonna go down. There's ETFs now, okay? So And don't let emotions get the best of you like we did last time in 2021, okay? We have to stick to our strategy, but most importantly, we have to create a solid strategy that we actually commit to so that the emotions, the ups and downs don't get the best of us. Okay, introducing this new announcement. How would you like to join me in the beautiful island of Bali to master your mindset and crypto strategy to set yourself up for optimal success during the greatest wealth building opportunity of our lives? Arguably this next bull run in 2024, 2025. I'm not kidding, guys. This could be the greatest wealth building opportunity of our lives, and we really want to take advantage of this. Don't F this up, okay? So announcing the Crypto Astro Bali retreat, the first ever Crypto Astro retreat in Bali this year. All right, so I'm deciding whether I want to do this in May, probably the first week of May, or September of this year. So why do a Crypto Astro Bali retreat? So this is an opportunity to escape to the enchanting paradise island of Bali, where I live. I've lived here for 5 years now. My daughter was born here. I know this land. It's incredible. The people, the culture, this place is incredible. I wouldn't be living here if I didn't love it with all my heart. So join me here for a transformative crypto strategy and mindset mastery retreat to prepare for the greatest wealth building opportunity of our lives. Picture 7 days of pure bliss, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. The nature is incredible here. Delicious food, so many amazing food options here, so many amazing restaurants, and a community of conscious, like-minded individuals eager to elevate their prosperity and lives, just like you. This is a holistic experience that combines the best of crypto, education, mindset mastery, and personal growth. Delve deep into the world of crypto and astrology, unlocking the secrets of the stars and the markets. Engage in guided breathwork, meditation, and sound healing sessions. Literally 10 minutes down the road from my villa here, there are pyramids that have incredible sound healing sessions there to expand your mind and nurture your body. You're gonna absolutely love it. Connect with fellow conscious investors and traders, explore Bali's wonders from majestic waterfalls to ancient temples, and immerse yourself in the rich culture of this island paradise. Benefit from the wisdom of expert guest speakers that I'm gonna have here in the fields of crypto, astrology, breathwork, and ancient wisdom. This is gonna be absolutely incredible. So let me know if you're interested. Comment below, take me to Bali if you're interested. And more importantly, let me know, would you prefer to attend potentially on May 1st through 7th or September 7th through 14th, around there? Okay, there's a slight chance I might do both. I might do 2 retreats this year because this is a big bull run. This is really important and we want to get together. We want to mastermind. We want to fully commit. We want to hold ourselves accountable to a rock solid strategy so that we succeed in this bull run. We don't fail like we did last time. All right, so let me know in the comments below. Now for the Bitcoin predictions for the month of March 2024. So there's gonna be volatility in March. That's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin and altcoins. Bitcoin and alts are probably going to correct around March 11th within 7 days of that. So could be 7 days before, 7 days after, followed by pumps at the end of the month heading into April, because at the very end of this month, very good news guys, we could see another big pump. I'm excited about that. So I'm definitely buying any of the dips. If we're dipping, I'm gonna buy it. All right, so like and share this video with a friend, family member, friends in crypto who could benefit from this. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I've been doing this for more than a year now, putting all this incredible content out there for free. People are making more money by watching my videos. They're getting real world results, increasing their income, increasing their cash flow. Definitely subscribe. You want to see more videos like this, Bitcoin astrology, Ethereum astrology, as well as market technical analysis. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.